So on our way to remodel or looking for ideas, we went into model homes.
And we looked at a lot of builders, for different ideas. And so we came upon this area. So we said, let's just go look at Woodside. And so we looked at the model homes and we had great ideas for remodeling our other home, and eventually she said, well, why don't you consider buying a home instead of remodeling? And that really hit home for us, And so we decided that this home, the Graciosa, was the best fit for us. Everything we wanted to renovate was here. So it made sense, to get a new home.
Our home that we had in Visalia was well built, but when we started hearing and seeing what I would consider meticulous, what they did, it was very impressive and we got to see it all go in. So that was very cool for us.